Good morning, Cagayan de Oro. It's October 27, 2025. It's Monday. And time check for you, it's 6:26 a.m. and I'm currently at Uptown CDO, and the situation here from Xavier Estates towards down towards the Makanan flyover. The road is practically empty. As you can see, we have less traffic, probably because Corpus on Xavier, probably Masterson's elementary school doesn't have class right now. It's wellness break for them, so that's why a little ease in traffic situation here at Uptown CDO. By the way, since it's Monday and probably some of you will be traveling, check your vehicles before you travel, and right now stay safe by fastening your seatbelt up. Don't forget to buckle up. Good morning.